Have you ever pondered over the difference between being rich and being wealthy? This question may seem trivial at first glance, but it carries a profound significance. In our world, wealth and richness are often seen as synonymous, two sides of the same golden coin. But is that truly the case? Is there more than what meets the eye? Perhaps there's a deeper essence to these terms waiting to be unveiled. So, let's delve into this thought-provoking journey to discern the true essence of wealth and richness. Once upon a time, there lived two men in a bustling city. This isn't your typical fairy tale, but rather a tale of two distinct paths. The first man was rich, a term often synonymous with success. He had a towering mansion, a fleet of luxury cars, and an extravagant lifestyle that others could only dream of. His bank balance was always overflowing, and the city knew him as a man of affluence. But for all his wealth, he was a prisoner to his own success. The constant pursuit of money left him with little time for himself or his family. His life was a paradox. While he had all the material possessions anyone could desire, he lacked the time and peace to truly enjoy them. Then there was the second man, the wealthy man. He too had money, but it was a means to an end, not the end itself. His wealth was not just about his bank balance, but about his rich experiences, his time with family, and the peace he had within himself. He had enough to sustain a comfortable lifestyle, yet he was not shackled by the constant need for more. He had the freedom to enjoy life on his own terms, to savor the moments that truly mattered. While the rich man was always running after money, the wealthy man was enjoying his life with the money he had. So what's the difference between the two men, you may ask? Well, let's delve into that. One man is rich. He has an abundance of money. He can buy anything he desires. His bank account is teeming with zeros. But his life is like a race against the clock. He's always rushing, always working, never finding a spare moment for himself or his loved ones. His wealth is measured in dollars and cents, but he's always short on time. The other man, on the other hand, is wealthy. He might not have as much money as the rich man, but he is rich in other ways. He has time to enjoy life, to spend with his family and friends, to pursue his passions. His wealth is not just about his financial stability, but also about his personal happiness, mental peace, and the abundance of time he has. You see, being rich and being wealthy are two different things. Richness is about having a lot of money. Wealth, however, is about having a lot of time. It's about having the freedom to do what you want, when you want, without worrying about the financial consequences. While richness can bring materialistic pleasure, wealth brings contentment. It allows you to live life on your own terms, to have control over your time. And that's a luxury that money alone cannot buy. Remember, money can buy a clock, but not time. Now, it's time for you to reflect. Consider wealth and richness, two concepts often mistaken as the same. What do these mean to you? As we journey through life, we should always strive to broaden our understanding. To those tuning in for the first time, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and join our thought-provoking discussions. Would you rather be rich or wealthy? Why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, your wealth is not measured by the money in your bank, but by the richness of your soul.